Still your girl at life with underscore Chika, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to style a shirt gown, a very loose shirt gown to look really fitted. So first I wore the shirt at the back and I put a safety pin on each side. After putting a safety pin on each side, I took my wardrobe rope, like the rope from my wardrobe rope, and I put in through the pin on both sides. After which I'm just going to drag it to the desired size I want it to be. So if you have a ribbon, you could use a ribbon. It's going to be less bulky, but either ways this won't show anyways because the shirt is super big. So I'm just going to tie it to the desired size, and then I'm going to wear it normal, like the front at the front, and then button it with my earrings and my jewelries, my accessories, and I'm good to go. That's how it looks. So this is how the back looks. It looks very smooth and very stylish for a shirt. So with this, you could see the shape of my body and it's no longer as big as it was. Thank you for watching, and till our next episode.